Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about this Unimog model from the brand Schuco. Comes in a 1/64 scale. It's actually the first Unimog I got from Schuco. There's also a blue version. Not sure if there is another version, but I think the green one is very beautiful color, especially in the combination with the red rims. Yeah, here we got some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Barcode and article number. And you can now see that Schuco is a part of a Spark model. Okay, let's open the package. There we go. Feels pretty heavy. The classic Unimog. Comes with side mirrors. Thank you very much for that. With some silver paint on it. Good rolling rubber tires, and there's a spare rubber tire here underneath the Unimog. This is made out of plastic. Not an opening here in the back, but I have to say it looks nice. Then we come to the back. We have lanced lights here. And here we have a metal base. Yeah, Schuco castings normally comes with a metal base. And a silver exhaust. Thumbs up for that. Normal screws, if you want to do some modification. These screws makes it a little bit more easier. And here you can see a scale, again, 1/64 Unimog. Yeah, beautiful model. Oh, the interior, almost forgot. I think the interior is also important. Let's see what we have here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, pretty good steering wheel. Black interior. Oh, windscreen wipers molded in the glass. And we got a logo here. Benz logo. Fantastic. Okay, let me know what you think about this model. And don't forget to like and share. Click, click, click. Thanks for watching.